Hey guys, we received this adjustable hip and thigh brace. So this one is for test and try, and let's just open the box and see. So this is a compression to hold, the hip and the thighs. Um, so let me just open. This is a nice hard Velcro, as you can see, is a really strong Velcro here, and you can just open up this whole thing. So there are different straps to hold it in place. So very nice, comfortable material inside, as you can see, and then also perforated for the air circulation and stuff, and then a strong velcro to hold it in the place. So this the strap as well, to make it more adjustable. So you can stretch these straps here and then make it more adjustable. So let's just wear and see. So once you wear, you can see like you can adjust it, but I just make a little loose fit so I can show it. So you can adjust it from all the sides. So you can also adjust the inner material, as you can see from here, and the belt wise on the sides. So it's a nice compression sleeves.